Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's find the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the option which I cannot find here. Oh, it's here. It's the screen timeout, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. Currently, we've got the 10 minutes option applied. This option is marked. And basically, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 30 minutes. It is marked. And after clicking back, it is notified right here that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically, that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.